Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about the entire courtroom ka-Judge Rathi. Hey, abafuna usebenza on a Friday ababantu baziphethe kakubi. Baziphethe kakubi abafuna usebenza on a Friday afternoon. They can fight about everything else in that courtroom. But from a judge to a junior person, when it's a Friday on an afternoon, they become one. They become one, Sana. They become one. They are all lazy. For a Friday afternoon, they don't want to work. Never. They will always, we can count the Fridays that they worked early. I mean, they worked until 3:30. I'm sure we can count them. If they are above 10, that will be lucky. But most of the Fridays, those people don't want to work. There is always a leader in that group of them. Mshololo. Mshololo akafuna uyibona into yosebenza on a Friday afternoon. Lehleli nje uleqa isabatha Mshololo. Mshololo is always ready to go and prepare for isabatha. She don't care. Mshololo is always ready and on her way to prepare for isabatha. She is always ready. Ne. Listen, did you see Ubaloyi when Judge Rathi was asking? Ubaloyi when he was like, my colleague was on absent for 3 days. Even the smile, he was beaming with a smile. He was beaming with a smile because we are bayafana bonke. When it comes to a Friday afternoon, abafuni usebenza. Abafuni. Whoa! And ayibona into enje. Azange ndayibona serious into enje. Abafuni usebenza ababantu. Abafuni. Unomshololo yi-team leader yokungafuni usebenza. She's a team leader of laziness when it comes to a Friday afternoon. Umshololo. The rest follows after him. While we are at that, namhlanje I was signed off by Judge Rathi. Judge Rathi goes and asks who I choose number 1. Are you objecting to anything? I choose number 1? No. Besides that, I choose number 1 has been talking from whenever. So he won't have any objections. Besides, it's not like his objection would matter. He's smiling, that judge, and he's like, I also have no objections, and gets up and leaves. I give up on them. Honestly, guys, they don't want to work. Since 2023 up to now, we have a problem for Fridays. I remember when there was that person who wrote a letter complaining about them not working, especially Fridays, the late comings. And they still are late. They are never. I'm sure we can also, if it's above 10 times, when they have started to work at 10 o'clock. And the issues are always the accused. Not just the ones from Kosimampuru. Because I think in another court, the accused that are in Kosimampuru, they would have been removed by now. Forcefully removed because you are delaying processes every day that we must come to court. We are always late because of you. I think it would have happened if it was another court. But hey, it's the Senzo case. Things happen in a different manner there. If it's not late coming of the accused, it's of the defense lawyers. Yes, they sent messages and stuff, but they are at times late. I think all of them, there were in fact, all of those people. The only person that I don't remember being late is Judge Rathi. I also don't remember Baloyi being late. If Baloyi is not there, he's not there, not late. The only time Judge Rathi was not there is when there was an accident or something, or there was something that was happening on the road. Abanye, they've been late, not once. Abanye maybe once. Do you see everyone is at fault for delays there in that courtroom? Everyone. But I bet you, Ilanti Solo Kipumane defense, Kutwe defense this, defense that, but all of them are at fault. Hi, Shem. They can fight about anything else. But when it comes to Friday afternoons, they become one. They sing one song. They are in tune. They don't want to work on Fridays. I think if it was up to them, they would work Monday to Thursday. I don't know if any of you have noticed that, or is it just me, but I've noticed they don't want to work, these guys. Honestly. Judge Rata was so pissed off, so angry because there was someone who wrote a letter and detailed that person put on detail how they are not keeping time. If they go to D, they will say 15 minutes. 15 minutes is 20 to 35 minutes, 40 even sometimes even 45. They will go at 11:15, say that it will come back at past, but they will come at 12:15. Those are the things that they do. The only time that they are always on time is when they are coming back from lunch. 2 o'clock, they don't miss that one. It will be a minute or two, not above that. But to come in, they are always late. From tea time, they are always late. If there's an adjournment in the middle and they will say 10 minutes, it will be 20 minutes or 30 minutes. If they said 20 minutes, double that, it will be 40 to 45 minutes. That's how those people are. I'm so irritated with them not wanting to work on a Friday. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? Do you think that whoever the author of that letter needs to write again? I think that author needs to write another letter. But it happens in good time because now we have Abomtunu, we can go and listen to Abomtunu. And I saw someone asking the comment section of these lives, but what's going to happen with us when these cases end? South Africa is going to be a war. It will be, guys. Can Nandi Pama Kudumana and Thabo Bester saga start next year when this one ends? Can it start so that when it starts, they do Monday to Friday also? Can they do that? Please. Please, Abeko. Am I wrong for wanting them so that they can do every day? Monday to Friday, then we will have content, number one. Number two, we'll get context of what happened in that story. We want to hear Nandipa's story. We want to hear Thabo Bester's story. Thabo Bester, which I did not work out. We want to hear what happened. There's a lot of cases that can start, and then when they start, we can like actually, even the General Dumisani and co-accused case, I want to see ways that I think that one is going to be thrown out. Watch the space. I think that one is going to be thrown out. Which else case? The AKA case. Yes. The Bafana Mahungela case. What happened to that? The Bafana Mahungela case. What happened to that? Because seemingly Bafana Mahungela is innocent of that crime. His crime was to touch a dead body. Medal part? No. Anyway, guys, nina nicabanga ukuthini senze njani? Must we toy? Must we write letters? Must we? Who's the JP now? In Pretoria or in Gauteng? Who's the JP that side? Because I think this needs a JP, Shem. This needs a JP to deal with it because no ways, guys. Nah. Why laba lazy kangaka? It was not even 1 o'clock, guys. It was not even, maybe it was 12:30 or 25 to 1. Was it? That was after lunch. I think it was somewhere about 12:30. So, hey, paralapisa, Mazulula, ayalapisa. Mazulula lapisa. Yo, Mshalolo mfethu. I love you so much, but ma'am, usoloko uyi-group leader when it comes to let's not work on a Friday afternoon. And siyakwazi ufuna ukuyolungiselela inkonzo. Ulungiselela isabatha ngiyakwazi. Mshalolo. Yini le? How dare you? Let's talk with comment section, guys. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.